Hi.
Hey guys. So we are on James's car. We want to get the brake hoses done. Yesterday we did all the hardware, master cylinder, booster, rotors, bearings, pads. And because of where we were at, we couldn't bleed it, so we had to get it into the shop to put it up in the air. So we got our first done, not a problem. This one's a problem.
Super rusty, and it's supposed to be 3/8, but it's more like 5/16 or something, or a quarter.
Oh! Come on, go on.
Work it.
Nope, I'm gonna strip it bad. Let's go on further. All right, let's get some penetrating oil on it. Maybe we can get it.
Yeah, I have that actually up front here.
Beautiful, thank you, sir.
I don't even know if these have ever been done.
I don't think they have.
Yeah. So I got PB blaster on that one. I haven't tried breaking that one free. But this one up here, we'll try a couple other things, but it was round. It was actually rounded before. So I think that it might have been done. At least this one.
Yeah.
Can't get in there, but I hate this stupid Allen.
Yeah, I don't know why they went to that for a short time.
Yeah. It just strips.
PB blaster spray.
Yeah.
Did you grab it? Remember, I said we should probably spray that down. You said, "Yeah, I've got it up front." Go get the penetrating.
Okay, we'll see you guys soon.
Hi. Later. How did you forget the PB blast?